Today class, in this video we are going to solve exercise number 6.3. So question number 1. Okay. The diagram is like this. (50, 60 and x). Okay. So we can say that sum of all angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. So x plus 50 plus 60 equals to 180. X plus, what is 60 plus 50? 110 equals 180. So x will be 180 minus 110. X will be 70 degree. Okay. So class, you must know that you have to write the reason always if triangle sum property is given. Like in question number 2, x 30 and x 30 and a sine. You all know that this is a sign of perpendicularity, so it means it is 90 degree. So first of all you have to write the condition here. Sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180. Then x plus 90 plus 30 equals to 180. So x plus 120 equals to 180. So x will be 180 minus 120. So x will be 60 degree. Okay, this is your answer. So I am going to do question number 5th and then 6th. Question number 5th is, all the angles are equal. X, and this one is also x. So we all know that sum of all angles equals to 180 degree. So x plus x equals to 180 degree. So 3x will be 180. X will be 180 upon 3 equals to 60. So all the angles are of 60 degree. Okay. All the angles are of x equals to 180 upon 3 equals to 60 degree. This one is 60, this one is 60, and this one is also 60. Question number 6 is, x, 2x and 90. This one is 90, this one is 2x, this one is x. So we all know that the sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Class, you have to write this line in each and every question. So it will be like x plus 2x plus 90 equals 180. X plus 2x is 3x plus 90 equals to 180. So 3x will be 180 minus 90 and x will be 90 upon 3. So x will be 30 degree. So this angle was x, so it will be 30, and this was 2x, so it will be 2 into 30 equals to 60 degree. Okay, this is our question number 1st. Now in question number 2nd, we have to use all the properties that we have learned. We have to use all of the properties that we have learned. The properties are, first property is that sum of two interior angles is always equals to exterior opposite angle. And the second property is sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Do you all of you know that what was linear pair and what was linear pair and what was vertically opposite angle? Okay, so that's great. You can now do all questions easily. Question number 1st is, x, y, 50, 120. X, y, 50, and this one is 120. Okay. So as we know that if this angle is 120, then it is a linear pair. So y plus 120 will be equals to 180. So this y y plus 120 equals to 180. We can know that it is linear pair. So y equals to 180 minus 120. So y will be 60 degree. If y is equal to 60 degree, then sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180. So x plus y plus 50 equals 180. We know the value of y equals to, so x plus 60 plus 50 equals to 180. So x plus 110 equals to 180. X equals to 180 minus 110. So x will be 70 degree. Okay, this is the final answer. Question number second. Question number second is, okay, this one is y, this one is given 80 degree. Next, it was 50 and x. 50 and this one is x. Okay, so we can see that it is vertically opposite angle. So y equals to 80 degree, VOA. And next, we all know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So we can say that x plus y plus 50 equals 180 degree. X plus y equals to 180. Y was 80 degree as we have done before, and this was 50 equals to 180 degree. X plus 130 equals to 180 degree. X will be 180 minus 130. So x will be, what is 180 minus 130? 50 degree. Okay. Question number third. Question number third is, this one is x, this one is y, and 50 and 60. This one is 50 and this one is 60. Okay. So we can say that sum of two angles is always equals to exterior angle, opposite exterior angle. So x equals to 50 plus 60. So x will be 110, and we have to write that reason here. And next we know that x and y is making a linear pair. So we can write it there, linear pair. And what was the value of x? It was 110 plus y equals to 180. Y will be 180 minus 110. So 180 minus 110, y will be 70 degrees. It is the final answer. Okay. Or you can also do this question by that we all know that sum of all three angles is 180. So y plus 60 plus 50 will be 180. So y will be 110. You can use any of the method. Okay. Next, question number fourth is, question number fourth. Okay, this one is 60, this one is x, this one is y, and this one is 30. Okay, we know that x and is equals to 60 because vertically opposite angle. X equals to 60. Bracket VO. Vertically opposite angle. Next, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. So x plus y plus 30 equals to 180 degree. So x was 60. So 60 plus y plus 30 equals to 180 degree. Y will be 180 minus 60 minus 30. So y will be 90 degree. This is your answer. Okay. Next, this one is y, then both of the angles are x and x. This one is x and this one is also x. Okay. So we know that y equals to 90. Bracket V of A, vertical opposite angle. Then sum of all angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. X plus x will be 2x. And we know the value of y is 90 equals to 180. So 2x will be 180 minus 90. So 2x will be 90. X will be 90 upon 2. So x will be 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree. This is your answer. And the last question is 6. This one is x. This one is also x. This one is also x. Okay, and it is written that it is y. Okay. So first of all, what we must do is, we know that y equals to x. Y equals to x. Okay. And we also know that sum of all angles, this one will be x, this one will also be x. Done. So if this one is x, this one is, then this one is equal to x. So x plus x equals to 180 degree. 3x equals to 180. So x will be 180 by 3. So x will be 60 degree. And y is also equals to x. So y is also equals to x equals to 60 degree. Okay. We got the value of x and y. But listen class, what you have to do, you must write the reasons there. If you don't write the reasons, then the answer will be incorrect. So y was equals to x because it was vertically opposite angle, and the sum of all three angles equals to 180. So we have to write sum of all angles of triangle equals to 180 degree. We have to write this again and again. Okay. So this was our exercise 6.3. For exercise number 6.4, you can watch my next video. Thank you.